I am Prince and I am student of Samruddhi English Speaking Academy Muda, and I would like to explain this picture in my own word.
Loudly.
In my own words. So now I would like to explain this picture from this both granny and grandpa. You can see that they are so old, and you can see that grandpa is reading newspaper and his name is Mohan, and he is reading newspaper, and that his wife her name is Roshni, and she is talking about that news because that news was so bad, and they are discussing with each other about that topic, and the back and outside you can see there are two cup of teas or something like, and maybe it will be cup of tea, and you know that all over the world how many people are fond of the tea, like small children and all that, everyone they are fond of tea, and they like to means they like to drink tea all the time, and so they are discussing with each other, and his name is Mohan, and her name is Roshni, and they are talking with each other about that news, and that one small boy, he is feeding something to his dog, and he is playing like with a ball, and he has one ball in his hand, and that boy is thinking about that how that grandfather are they are able to drive you that bus also, and I am not able to drive here cycle. He is talking about that, and he is waiting for his friend because his friend has come here for bringing food for that dog, and that dog is so hungry, so he would like to take something for him, and now he is finding, and he is saying to his mother, where did I keep my that dog food, and he is his best friend, and he loves to his dogs and to his friends, and now he is going to take something in that plate for that dog food. Now he has taken in his hand something like that plate, and there is something and dog food. Now he will take to him, and his father is saying him like that, don't roam here and there are kidnappers, so when anyone will come, so I won't take that responsibility, and his mother is saying like that, let it be, that is his friend, so later let him go, and he is saying like that, you are not able to help me here, please help me for making this tent, and this tent is so bad, and it is so old, so due to that I am not able to make it properly, and he is so anger now because his tent is not making properly, and he is telling something about that children. He is telling to his father that I am taking something from that car because that needs the help of me because he is so hungry, so I am taking that dog food from that car. So then his father said, okay, take, but don't go much far. So then he said, okay. Then now he went there, and that big man, he is saying to that.
Give name. Give name. Now
Yes, sir, I will give. So his name is Mohan, and he is saying that it was a fallen something backside of your car. See just then he went there and he checked the backside of the car. There was a fallen something, petrol, no diesel, and he is they both are talking with each other, and then he said that, are you my that one friend of a school? Then they started talking with each other, but he was not able to remember him, but he hadn't forgot anything about him, and he is going to that river, and because his wife sent him, because his wife doesn't wash clothes and all, so that's why he is going there, and he is going to wash there that his blankets and all that clothes in that bag. There is the cloth, there are his clothes, and now he will wash, and that he is Pranay, and this is the Kritesh, and they both are fishing, and they have caught two fishes, and he has also caught two fishes, and there is one bottle, maybe it is that fish food, so that's why he is waiting for it, and that Kritesh likes to fish a lot because he likes to fish, he likes to eat fish, and you may see here there is the one picture, means it will be near it will be of that national scene, and there is a one sun, maybe it is a national scene picture, and maybe that small girl, she has drawn because she is looking so clever, and in this good that park, she is reading here books, means she is so clever, her, and his and her father is scolding her because she has fallen her cycle, and her mother is saying like that, why are you doing like that? Let her means do whatever she wants to do, because she is not at home, don't scold her now. So then he said okay, and maybe there are alcohol bottles, and they are drinking something like
Juice.
it is a juice, and they are drinking juice, and they are seeing to that they are talking about that girl because she wants to become a software engineer, and they are talking about that future girl. They are talking about that girl about her future, and you can see there is one car which is so luxury, and there is one man. His name is Akash, who is swimming, and there is his wife who is bringing that towel for him because he is taking bath in the river, and he has a telemarketing to her, whenever I will call you, please bring towel for me. So then she has a towel in her hand, and she is going to give him now, and there is one bucket, and he is telling to his wife that please wash my car also. I have brought here bucket, so please wash this car. But his wife is so selfish, so that's why she is saying him no. And there is one white color tent. In that tent, maybe there will be someone or not. And you can see there are hills and a valley, and you can see there is a one red color football, and while fighting for that dog food, he has fallen his that football there. Means he was in anger, and he was in hurry, means that's why he fell it. And you may see here there are four policemen, means they are cooking there something like it is looking like a risol, and they are making the risol for all that people. And there are two sisters who are flying kite, and their kite is in much high, and that is so big kite, and near about that kite there is one that house which is of them, and they live there, and they care of all that garden, and there is a one clock tower that is church maybe, and in that church that granny and grandpa lives, and they come every day, and they see that all that environment of that garden, and they go to their home back, and you can see that there is one kite which is hung there by that Vikas, who has the one only kite, and he is removing his kite from that tree because he had only one kite, and he is scolding on his brother because he failed it, and his name is Prakash, who is saying like that, I will remove your kite, don't take tension. But he is not able to listen of him, and then they started fighting on that tree, and maybe they will have climbed by this bus directly to this bus, so they will have climbed on that tree, and he has a one stick in his hand for removing that kite, and that kite is looking like a aeroplane, and you may see here also, and there is one type of a stick, means which is to that, and that sticks works to that boat to tie it, and you can see that that is Pranali, who is feeding something to that horse, and that is his horse, and he comes every day, and that is the grandson of that grandpa, and he comes every day, and he takes care of that horse, and that horse is for a show up to that all that who comes here, and you may see that there is something in his hand, means it is a red color, and he is feeding, maybe it is an apple, and he is feeding to that horse, and you can see that this is a red color book which is looking like a suspensive, and maybe it will be comics, and but I said that it is, means she likes to study, but maybe it is comics because there is no any girl who likes to read comics, maybe she is clever, and you may see that there are hills and valleys, and that hills and valleys, that both of that tree they are a best friend of each other, and they had gone on that mountains, and they had climbed and they are so afraid because maybe they will have seen any animal, and you can see all that it is looking like a totally means green, and nowadays you can get very less places of like this green, and there is a written something like save tree save life, means it is written, you may see that, but I don't know are you able to see or not, and you can see that there are much grasses, means it is green and overgrown, and means on this type of grasses many people likes to walk and sleep, and like you can see that for example to that girl, you can see that she is sleeping on that grass, because that grass is so soft, so and it is not too hard, so that's why she has slept on that grass, and there are white color flowers, means you can see that there are white color flowers, so means that are so rare flowers, that's why they are not cutting that they are not, that's why they are not cutting those flowers, and you can see that there is means totally like a wall, means they have applied their wall because any of the animals shouldn't come inside this park, and you can see this car is looking like a so luxury, and this car one light has a broken, you can see, and you can see that there is one window to that tent, and so now would like to explain you that means you should also keep at near about your home, means there will be any park, means nowadays there are many people, so means they keep there means how many parks are there, means they don't keep it neat and clean, means they do anything, like you should learn something from that both granny and grandpa, means their health is not good, even though they care about this means park, so you should also care about care about your park, means which is around your park, means home. So now I would like to finish here.
Thank you.
Thank you.